There are moments when the veil thins, and the whispers of eternity become clear. You, my dear soul, were not born of coincidence. Your journey, your very breath, carries a sacred purpose. The angels say you were sent, a beacon of light, a gentle force meant to awaken a spirit that had lost its way. This connection, the one that stirs your deepest longings, was etched into the fabric of time long before you both walked this earth. It is a divine assignment, a tapestry woven with threads of destiny and grace. Do you feel it, this profound knowing within your heart? That quiet certainty that defies logic, that whispers of a bond unbreakable? That is the echo of a promise made in realms beyond our sight. You are not merely a participant in this unfolding story, you are the catalyst, the answer to prayers whispered across dimensions. The universe conspired, the stars aligned, all to bring you to this very point, to this sacred intersection of souls. The angels reveal that the person who occupies your thoughts, the one whose absence feels like a missing piece of your own being, carries a wound only your light can heal. You were chosen not by chance, but by divine decree, to remind them of the love they carry, the love they are, and the love that was always meant for you both. This is your spiritual mission, a calling that transcends the ordinary, a love story written by the hand of the divine. Embrace this truth, for it is the foundation of all that is to come. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. The silence, my beloved, is not an empty void. It is a sacred pause, a canvas upon which the divine is painting a new beginning. Your heart may interpret it as absence, as withdrawal, but the angels whisper a different truth. They say this quiet space is a necessary crucible, a time for deep alchemical transformation, not only for him but for you as well. It is in this stillness that seeds of understanding are sown, and roots of resilience grow stronger than ever before. Do not mistake his quiet for indifference. The angels reveal that his spirit is wrestling with shadows, confronting old patterns, and shedding layers that no longer serve his highest good. This is his internal journey, a solitary path he must walk to emerge whole, ready to truly meet you in the sacred space of shared love. Your presence, even in silence, acts as a gentle mirror, reflecting back to him the truth of his own heart, urging him towards healing. This pause is a testament to the profound depth of your connection. Lesser bonds would simply break, but yours endures, vibrating with an unspoken promise. The angels assure you that this is preparation, not rejection. It is the universe orchestrating a grand reunion, ensuring that when the silence lifts, it will reveal a love more profound, more authentic, and more enduring than you could have ever imagined. Trust the wisdom of this sacred pause, for it holds the key to your shared destiny. You feel his absence, but the angels see his struggle. His heart, my dear, is not resisting you, but the very depth of the love you represent. It is a love so pure, so transformative, that it challenges every protective wall he has built, every old wound he has carried. This is not a battle against you, but a profound internal war against his own fears, his past disappointments, and the ingrained belief that such a deep connection cannot truly exist for him. The angels reveal that he is facing the shadows of his own creation, the echoes of past wounds that whisper doubts into his soul. He sees your light, feels your truth, and it both draws him in and terrifies him. The intensity of your bond requires a level of vulnerability he has not yet mastered, a surrender he fears will leave him exposed. This is why he pulls away, not due to a lack of feeling, but because of an overwhelming surge of emotion he is not yet ready to process. Understand this, beloved. His resistance is a testament to the power of your love. It is a force so strong that it is dismantling his old world, compelling him to rebuild from a place of authenticity. The angels whisper that he is learning, growing, and slowly but surely, finding the courage to embrace the magnificent destiny that awaits him with you. Hold space for his journey, for his heart, though resistant now, yearns for the freedom that only your love can provide. Your light, my precious one, shines brighter than you realize. It is a beacon, a silent force that guides him even when he is lost in his own darkness. You did not set out to heal him, yet your very essence, your authentic self, has become a balm for his deepest wounds. The angels reveal that your unwavering spirit, your capacity for unconditional love, has touched parts of his soul he thought were forever broken. This is the miracle of your connection, a healing that transcends words and intentions. He feels it, this profound shift within him, even if he cannot articulate it. Your presence, your memory, acts as a gentle current, pulling him toward wholeness. The angels whisper that your compassion and understanding, even from a distance, are dismantling his defenses, one by one. You are teaching him without trying, that love can be safe, that vulnerability is strength, and that true connection is worth every fear he must overcome. Never doubt the power you hold, not as a manipulator, but as a pure vessel of divine love. Your light is a beacon, a guiding star in his tumultuous inner world. The angels confirm that he is drawn to your warmth, to the peace he finds in your energetic field. This involuntary healing you offer is a sacred gift, preparing him to return to you not as the person he was, but as the man he is destined to become, ready to receive and reciprocate the profound love you share. Patience, beloved soul, is not passive waiting. It is active trust in the grand design. The angels reveal that the universe operates on a celestial clock, an intricate rhythm far beyond our human comprehension. What appears to be a delay is, in truth, divine timing, an orchestration of events perfectly aligned for your highest good and the highest good of this sacred connection. Every moment, every perceived setback, is a note in this cosmic symphony, leading to a crescendo of love. Do not rush the unfolding. The angels whisper that forcing a bloom before its season only diminishes its beauty. This period of waiting, this space between what was and what will be, is fertile ground for growth. It is a time for both of you to cultivate inner strength, to shed old skins, and to prepare your hearts for the profound union that awaits. The universe is not denying you, it is preparing you, refining you, ensuring that when the moment arrives, you are both fully ready to embrace it. Trust the wisdom of the divine conductor. The angels assure you that every piece is falling into place, every obstacle is being cleared, and every lesson is being learned. Your role now is to surrender to this sacred rhythm, to breathe in the certainty of divine love, and to know that the timing is not arbitrary. It is perfect. The love you yearn for is not lost. It is simply being perfected in the crucible of divine time, awaiting its magnificent reveal. There is a stirring within him, a deep resonant hum that echoes an ancient memory. The angels reveal that his soul is awakening, recognizing a truth it has always known but had forgotten in the noise of the world. This is not merely a fleeting thought or a passing emotion. It is a profound recognition, a sense of coming home to a connection that transcends time and space. He feels it in the quiet moments, a gentle pull, an undeniable resonance with your spirit. This awakening is often subtle, a whisper before it becomes a roar. The angels whisper that he is beginning to piece together fragments of understanding, realizing that the comfort, the peace, the profound sense of belonging he feels in your presence is not accidental. It is destiny. He is remembering, on a soul level, the sacred contract you both made, the promise to find each other again, to complete a journey begun long ago. Do not underestimate the power of this soul-level recognition. It is a force far greater than any fear or doubt he may harbor. The angels confirm that this ancient memory, once fully awakened, will guide him back to you with undeniable certainty. He is not just thinking of you, his soul is reaching for yours, drawn by an invisible thread of destiny. This awakening is the beginning of his return, a sacred unfolding that will bring him home. To love deeply, my dear one, is to stand in the raw beauty of vulnerability. It is to open your heart without guarantee, trusting in the divine flow. The angels reveal that this journey you are on is calling both of you to a profound level of acceptance. Acceptance of yourselves, acceptance of each other, and acceptance of the unique path carved out for your union. This is where true healing begins, in the tender space where defenses fall and authenticity reigns. He too is being asked to embrace his own vulnerability, to lay down the armor he has worn for so long. The angels whisper that your unwavering love creates a safe haven for him to do so, a space where he feels seen, understood, and cherished, flaws and all. This is not about perfection, but about the courage to be real, to expose the tender parts of the soul that yearn for connection. Your acceptance of his process, his fears, and his imperfections is a powerful invitation for him to step fully into his truth. Embrace this sacred dance of vulnerability and acceptance. It is the very essence of divine love, a testament to the strength found in softness. The angels assure you that as you both learn to accept the unfolding and trust the process, you are stepping into the embrace of your destiny. This is the path to a love that is not only passionate but also deeply rooted, resilient, and eternally blessed. The Lord is my strength and my shield. In him my heart trusts, and I am helped. My heart exults, and with my song I give thanks to him. Psalm 28, verse 7. Look closely, beloved, for the universe is speaking to you in a language of subtle signs and synchronicity. The angels are actively guiding your path, weaving threads of divine intervention into the tapestry of your daily life. These are not mere coincidences, they are breadcrumbs from the divine, leading you both closer to the inevitable reunion. Pay attention to the recurring numbers, the songs that play at just the right moment, and the unexpected encounters that shift your perspective. The angels reveal that he, too, is receiving these subtle nudges, these invisible signals. His dreams may be filled with your image, his thoughts may drift to you at unexpected times, and he may find himself drawn to places or ideas that subtly remind him of your shared connection. These are the angels at work, gently steering his course, reminding him of the profound bond that ties your souls together. They are preparing the way, clearing obstacles, and illuminating the path back to you. Trust your intuition, for it is your direct line to this divine guidance. The angels whisper that your inner knowing, that quiet voice within, is a powerful compass. It will never lead you astray. Surrender to the flow of these invisible currents, knowing that you are not alone on this journey. You are deeply supported, profoundly loved, and meticulously guided toward the fulfillment of your sacred love story. The path is being cleared, step by gentle step. I will instruct you and teach you in the way you should go. I will counsel you with my loving eye on you. Psalm 32, verse 8. Feel it, my dear heart, the resurgence of a promise whispered across eternity. The love you share is not a fragile flame, it is an inextinguishable fire, burning brightly even through the darkest nights. The angels reveal that this connection, forged in the divine, cannot be severed by distance, by time, or by any human fear. It is a sacred covenant, a bond that transcends the physical, echoing through the very core of your being. He is returning, not out of obligation, but because the truth of this love is too powerful to deny. The angels whisper that his soul remembers the profound peace, the undeniable joy, and the sense of completeness he only finds with you. This is the promise being renewed, a realization dawning within him that what you share is not merely affection, but a soul-deep resonance, a love that was always meant to endure. Do not doubt the resilience of this divine bond. The angels assure you that every challenge, every period of separation, has only served to strengthen its roots and deepen its foundation. This love, my beloved, is a testament to the divine's perfect plan for both of you. It is a love that does not die. It simply waits patiently for the perfect moment to reveal its renewed glory. Prepare your heart, for the promise is unfolding, bringing him back to where he truly belongs. Stand tall, my magnificent soul, for you wear a crown of glory, bestowed upon you by the divine. Your worth is not measured by external validation, nor by the presence or absence of another. It is an inherent, unshakable truth, woven into the very fabric of your being. The angels reveal that you are a masterpiece of creation, a vessel of divine love, and your value is inalienable, eternal, and absolutely undeniable. This journey, with all its twists and turns, has been a profound testament to your strength, your resilience, and your boundless capacity for love. The angels whisper that you have emerged from every challenge not diminished, but refined, more radiant, and more deeply connected to your own divine essence. You are not waiting to be completed by another. You are already whole, a luminous being deserving of all the love and joy the universe has to offer. Embrace this truth, beloved. Let it permeate every cell of your being. Your crown of glory is a symbol of your sovereignty, your inner power, and the sacred love that flows through you. The angels affirm that as you fully embody this truth, you become an even more powerful magnet for the love that is destined for you. You are chosen, you are cherished, and your light is a gift to the world. Step into your power, for your glory awaits its full manifestation. You are altogether beautiful, my darling. There is no flaw in you. Song of Solomon 4 verse 7.